So after starting the software, you will reach on this window. We have to go to question bank. First we have to select the class, which is JEE Main, NEET and JEE Advanced. Then we are going for physics subject. Question level easy, medium and hard, all three levels available. I am going for easy one. Question type single correct, MCQ you are going to use the most. But in hard level we have added all these kind of type which have been asked in JEE Advanced exam. Match the column, more than one correct MCQ, numeric response, subjective type. So all these question types are also available. Now we have to select the chapter. All the chapters of 11th and 12th physics are available here. Like I am going for Newton's laws of motion. After selecting the chapter, you have to select the topic of this chapter. You can see in this chapter many subtopics are also available. And normal topic wise questions are available in every chapter, like question based on first law of motion, second law of motion, third law of motion. So available in every chapter, normal topic wise questions. And in every chapter we have added JEE Main 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 asked questions. Like from last 7 years in this chapter, total 96 questions have been asked. So all these are JEE Main previous year questions of this chapter. When you click on any question, you can see the question in this window and its solution in a lower window. You can see. And when you click on any question, you can see the topic of this question. Like this question belongs to JEE Main 2020. So like this, you can generate chapter wise JEE Main PYQ in every chapter. And for the numeric response, in hard level we have added the integer type or numeric response questions. So integer type, total 28 questions have been asked from this chapter from last 7 years. So all these are only integer type questions of this chapter. So like this, you can generate JEE Main PYQ of every chapter. Similarly, we have added NTA Abhyas app questions, NEET previous year questions in every chapter. Like for this chapter, total 54 NEET previous year questions of last 30 years are available. Then when you go for NTA Abhyas app questions, so in every chapter we have added the NTA Abhyas added in medium level. So in this chapter, total 31 NTA Abhyas app questions are also available. All these are NTA Abhyas app questions. Similarly, in every chapter we have added Maharashtra CET, Karnataka CET and Telangana Andhra Pradesh CET previous year questions of last 15 years. Like for this chapter, total 120 CET previous year questions are also available. All these are Maharashtra CET, Karnataka CET and Telangana Andhra Pradesh CET last 15 years questions. So you can generate CET previous year questions also in every chapter. Now I am going for select all. So in this chapter, easy level, now we are going for total number of questions. So in easy level, total 491 questions are available, MCQ. Now when you